As website owners, we all know the importance of keeping our WordPress site up to date, but the process of manually updating plugins, themes, and WordPress core can be time-consuming and even risky if not done properly. Introducing Easy Updates Manager, the ultimate solution for simplifying and automating updates on your WordPress site. With Easy Updates Manager, you can easily manage all your updates from one central location, saving you time and effort. You can easily block automatic updates for specific plugin or themes from the settings. This is a master switch and will enable or disable updates for the WordPress installation. Switching updates off is not recommended. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. By doing so, you'll be helping us create more useful and informative content that you can enjoy in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.